Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to replace a toilet seat. First, measure from around here to the end of the toilet seat. The link in the description below. These are the parts. Phillips screwdriver, so let me go grab one. Go this way to unlock. And then you pop this thing out. While you're unscrewing this part, you also have this part on the bottom. Hold it still while you unscrew the top part. Lefty loosey. You can hold the screwdriver straight and just turn this one right. That's faster. Ooh, that one's hard. That's what she said. Wowzers! On this one, I'm just holding the bottom one in place because it's pretty hard. Now that you got that off, you just pull it right up. I'm just cleaning it right now. I had a really hard time taking these off. I had to actually pry it open, something like that, with with the flathead. Oh. So you lift this up, stick this in the toilet, and then pop it in. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the bottom pieces. They're gonna go in this way. We are gonna take a look at this from the bottom real quick. So you're gonna put that on there, righty tighty. So we're just gonna hold it in place so that it doesn't keep moving. Actually, oh, it stays. So now we can simply screw that in. Nice and tight. We're gonna put this like this. Okay. Yay, it's a perfect fit.
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit that subscribe.